My dear students, last class already I have told you what are the grammatical part will be there in PUC first year and second year. So, today another one class, bridge course class I am engaging today, and in your 10th standard you have studied homophones, passages, jumbled segments, letter writing, passive voice, reported speech, language function, question tag, articles and prepositions, linking words, the right form of verbs, all these you have studied, and in that this one what you have studied in 10th standard. Today let us see regarding this letter writing. It is very important and compulsory the question will be there in PUC this first year, and at the same time in first year in my first class I told you that you have two books. One is English course book. For that title they have given, for this course book they have given title Reflections, and then for this grammar workbook they have given a title Articulation. So, 50 marks from that prose and 50 marks from this grammar. And here course book, in course book you have 13 chapters. Remember 13 chapters, in that 6 lessons, 6 poems and one will be the one act play. Overall 13 chapters will be there in your textbook, means the course book. 50 marks for that, and there will be 50 marks from this course book, and title of that course book is Reflections, English course book for first year pre-university course, 50 marks, and articulation here it is grammar part. When you come to this reflection course book, 6 lessons, 6 poems and one will be the one act play. Overall 13 chapters will be there, and this one articulation, nothing but a title of that workbook will be the written articulation, grammar part, and here also 50 marks for this. And one thing today, let us see this letter writing. So, letter writing. Letter writing. So, letter writing, types of formal letters will be there in your first year. Types of formal letters. You have two types of here? Formal and informal. Formal letters are those letters which you will be writing for official purpose, whichever the department it may be, a communication towards office, official. Then informal means a letter which you will be writing to your friends, parents, relatives. But when you come to formal letter, we must be careful. According to format, we have to write it. See, before 2004-5, a different format was there, because of what here, using a majority of our people, population, they are what towards computer. So, because of that, here started a new format, everything to be written on left side. So, in this formal types of formal letters, I think already in your high school, I think you know very well that different types of letters. Leave letter means leave application, then letter for means application for TC, migration certificate, and application for opening bank account, closing bank account, even transfer of bank account, and complaint letters, and letters seeking information. Suppose if some institution conducting some yoga camp and seeking information from that institution, seeking information and giving information. Suppose institution, our college is conducting some state level, district level meet, athletic meet, and here what giving information. Suppose if our college is conducting district level sports, we have to send circulation for all over district colleges, like that, and invitation letters. So, different types of formal letters we can see, and one thing you have to remember, a formal letter, a formal letter includes 8 elements. So, this is very important here. First one here, sender's address, what we call from address. Second one, date. Then third one, inside address. Here to address, what we say, to address. Then fourth one here, salutation. Then subject, line, and reference. Line are optional. Then fifth one here, body. Then sixth one here, complimentary, close. Then seventh one here, signature. Then eighth one here, enclosure, if any. Yes. See, these are the what points to be remembered. So, a formal letter includes 8 elements: sender's address, from address, and all these things you have to write it left side. See, left side you have to write it. It may be what? From address, date, then to address, salutation, body of the letter, complimentary close, signature, enclosures, if any. So, this is what? That format, steps you have to remember without any mistake, grammar mistake, you have to write it. So, remember, from address, hours, it may be leave letter, it may be what a complaint letter, application, seeking information, whatever it may be. Leave letter for this application for TC. So, first sender's address, from address, that, then date, and date is very important to be remembered. We have to write month, for example, today 10th September 2020, like that you have to write. Name of a month you have to write it, because in America first they will write it month, then day and then year. So, it will be confused. For that purpose, it is better to write name of the month. Then to address, to whom we are writing, and that address we have to write it. Then salutation, maybe what that we have to, dear, respected, sir, sir itself what here, respected, dear sir, like that sometimes we write, respected sir, like that we use salutation. And also subject line is essential. So, what they have given here, subject line and reference line are optional, but it is better to write subject. In that one line itself comes to know that for what the purpose we are writing this letter. Then body of the letter, it is very important, to the point you have to write that body of the letter, and no need to write in a elaborate method. So, what you want to tell, you have to be written straight to inform the matter, what the matter you want. So, that is what body of the. Then complimentary close. Usually we use yours obedient, faithfully, truly, yours truly, that here complimentary close, that we have to write it. Then signature, you have to sign it. In that bracket, it is better to write what our name, that our name you have to write it. Then enclosures, if anything, for example, if you are written a letter to your principal, then suppose for leave, for what purpose? Maybe after 3 days if you come and submitted what leave letter, for what purpose? If you are sick 3 days, that prescription letter you have to enclose, that covering main letter, that prescription you have to enclose. Then only it is a proof that for this is the purpose I have I was unable to attend, come to this college, like that. Here last enclosure, if anything if it is there, we have to attach with that our letter to that covering letter. So, like that here these points you have to remember while writing letter. Let us see one example here, letter writing. So, question, usually leave letter or complaint letter they will ask in your examinations. So, just listen carefully, the question is like this: write a letter to the municipality authorities, Tipu Sultan Road, Raichur, about the unclean and inadequate supply of water in the area. Your letter should include irregular supply, irregular timings, problems faced, request to take suitable steps, measures. So, this is what here once again I will read the question, and it is complaint, we can say letter. So, the question is: write a letter to the municipality authorities, Tipu Sultan Road, Raichur, about the unclean and inadequate supply of water in the area. Your letter should include irregular supply, irregular timings, problems faced, request to the suitable measures. So, like that here the question they asked, this type of questions will be asked in your examinations, maybe test, and keep in your mind that steps, what are the steps we should follow while writing letter. So, let us see here one example, that here think it that it is a line, margin line, and first here from address, for example Akshay Kumar 9 dash 19 dash 141 Vidya Nagar Raichur 584102. Then see, this is from address. So, write it Akshay Kumar 9/19/40 141, maybe house number you can write it, Vidya Nagar, which area you are resident of, then Raichur. Then you have to leave two lines space, write it what here, date. Next what you have to write it, below that space you have to give it September 2020. Then to address, main head of that municipality will be what, commissioner. So, the commissioner. So, we should know, maybe sometime chairman, principal for these colleges, then some departments, they have what here, chairman, commissioner, secretary. So, according to that department we have to write it, whom to write it we should know, and directly we have to write it the commissioner, city, municipality, Tipu Sultan Road, Raichur. So, to address here, no need to specify, we should not to like this, directly understood, from address, date, to address. Next comes here subject, regarding, irregular of water in the area. So, like this here. So, see here, from address, in which area you are staying. First we have to understand the question what they have given, and whom to write directly, we have to write head of the institution or department. So, here from address where we have studied, where we have stayed, and what the problems we are facing, that we have to see here. Akshay Kumar, 9/19/141, Vidyanagar, Raichur. Next 2 lines we have to leave it space. We should not write below this, some space should come. Then 10th September 2020, even 10th you can write it, 10th September 2020. Then leave some space here, there should be gap, it should look good. The Commissioner, City Municipality, Tipu Sultan Road, Raichur, that is to address, from address, date, to address, then subject. Regarding irregular of water in the area. The main purpose of writing letter is what? In a subject, he comes to know, to whom we are writing, he comes to know that irregular of water in the area, in which area we stayed, from address, that we will be given our address. So, here that purpose to write of water to this Commissioner regarding irregular of water in the area. So, these are the what steps. Then next, body of the letter, you have to write it, body of the letter. So, here next salutation, subject, dear sir, I am a resident of Vidyanagar layout ward. This letter is to bring to your kind notice that water which is being supplied to our area is unclean and inadequate, insufficient. The water is not only too dirty to consume, but also it is being supplied once in 6 days. 6 days, since most of the people in my house are employed. They are not able to collect water, hence I request. Even you can just write it, hence. So here you can start like this, hence I request you to kindly look into the matter and take necessary steps for regular supply of clean water. So that is what here, students, my dear students, one thing you have to remember, that body of the letter should be in a such a way that directly you have to write what the problem we are facing from that area, resident, which area we stay, from that area, what problem we are facing, to the point we have to write it. No need to write cock and bull story. So that within a short, small paragraph, we have to write it in a such a way that should reach directly to his mind, and that commissioner should say, from tomorrow onwards go and take the steps which we are facing. That even better you can write it. The question what they have given in complaint, it is what a complaint letter. Maybe I told you types of letter will be there, even leave letter. So it is complaint letter, and in that body of this letter, content should be what, short and direct, straight, to be what the problem we are facing, we have to write it, inform to that higher authority. So like that here, sir, respected sir, dear sir, sir itself what here, giving respect. So it is left to you. Sir, I am a resident of Vidyanagar layout ward. This letter is to bring to your kind notice that water which is being supplied to our area is unclean and not sufficient. Inadequate means not sufficient. the water is not only too dirty to consume, but also it is being supplied once in 6 days, since most of the people in my house are employed. See, it may be related to you, maybe that area. What? 6 days, since most of the people in my house are employed, they are not able to collect water. Hence, I request you to kindly look into the matter and take necessary steps for a regular supply of clean water. So, like this, this in complaint letter, you have to write it. May be different, it may be sometimes what this power, oftenly this power will be what will be going. So, for that also, if according to that given question, we have to think it and write it. And after this body of the letter, then once again that you have to write it complimentary. Then next comes complementary. In this complementary, what left side, see here, left side, clean water, left side, thank you, yours, leave space, yours faithfully, then Akshay. In bracket, you have to write your name, Akshay Kumar. So, like this. Yes, this much is enough. So, this is what here. These are the what steps you to be remember while writing letter. So, maybe a different type of what grammar books will be given some slight changes. See, don't worry of that. This high school English grammar written by Runne and Martin grammar book. It has become a famous. Even university professors will refer this what? Runne and Martin. Name of what? Authors. Runne and Martin grammar book. There also, but not previous, present edition. See, suppose if it is a 15 years, 10 years, that old books will be the different format. So, present is what format is like this, and the best way that you go through workbook, some examples they have given, read, you purchase this what workbook, go through and see there what are the steps they have given, and also examples, the questions they have given, and read it, and just you start what doing this exercises, letter writing. So, now in this class you come to know how to write a letter. In my next class I will start that course book. I told you beginning of this session class, 13 chapters are there. In that 6 poems, 6 lessons, and 1 will be what which is 1 act play. Next class I will start course book, textbook, first chapter. I will give what a clear picture of that first chapter's story, outline story, and where you can go through textbook, read it, and easily you can understand. So, that outline story I will explain, then easily when you go through this course book, while reading you can recollect what that writer want to explain, tell for readers, that we comes to know. In my next class I will start a course book. Thank you.